Hello students, good afternoon. Today I will teach you chapter number 6, Domains of the Earth. Domain simply means any territory, region or sphere. Earth has 4 major domains. Each domain of the Earth has its own characteristics, property, features, etc. 4 domains of the Earth. In short way से मैंने आपको लास्ट ऑडियो में जिसमें हमने डिस्कस किया था आपको बताया था कि 4 डोमेन्स कौन से हैं, तो उसको हम वन बाय वन डिस्कस करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ पिक्चर्स. आवर अर्थ इज द ओनली प्लैनेट दैट स्पोर्ट्स लाइफ. आप जानते हैं कि प्लैनेट जो हमारा है वो स्पोर्टेड है फॉर लिविंग लाइफ. थ्रू द लाइफ सस्टेनिंग means supporting elements of land, water and air. So we will discuss lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. These all are 4 domains of the earth. These 4 domains name is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Okay? These are interact with each other and make life possible on earth. So student, firstly we will discuss lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Is the solid portion. It is the solid portion. ये solid portion होता है हमारे अर्थ के पार्ट का, जो कि अभी मैं आपको पिक्चर के थ्रू भी बताऊंगी. On which we live, जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं. The word lithosphere is derived from the word sphere combined with the Greek word lithos which means rocks. इसका मीनिंग होता है rocks. मतलब कि जैसे हमने आपको बताया कि solid portion होता है ये अर्थ का. It is a solid rocky crust of the earth. That means the crust and the upper part of the metal which is joined to the crust. Students, see this picture. ये हमारा सॉलिड पार्ट है. ड्रामेटिकल वे से आपको बताया गया है. क्रस्ट इज मेटल, ये आउटर कोर और ये इनर कोर. दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स द क्रस्ट एंड द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द मैंटल विच इज ज्वाइंट टू द क्रस्ट. ये क्रस्ट के साथ ज्वाइंट होता है. द लिथोस्फीयर comprises of all land masses like high mountains, deep valleys, plains, plateaus, etc. Students, there are 2 types of lithosphere. First is continental lithosphere. It is consists of continental crust. And second is oceanic lithosphere. It is consist of oceanic crust and oceanic basin. Second is hydrosphere. Water covers a large area of Earth's surface and forms the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms like ice, water, water vapor, etc. See this picture. It's a water cycle. Next one is atmosphere. Students, what is atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by the layer of gases called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of mostly nitrogen, oxygen. There are lot of other gases that are part of the atmosphere. You know that students, oxygen is needed by animals and human beings, means living things, to breathe, and carbon dioxide is used by plants in photosynthesis. See this picture very carefully. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into 5 major layers. See these layers. 5 major layers जो हैं उनमें एटमॉस्फेयर को डिवाइडेड किया गया है. Started from the bottom, these are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and last one exosphere. Last one is biosphere. Biosphere is the sphere or area around the planet Earth where life exists. It includes everything living on the earth, including humans, animals, plants, insects. The layer of the earth containing life is thin. The upper atmosphere has little oxygen and very low temperatures, while ocean depths greater than 1000 are dark and cold. In fact, it has been said that the biosphere is like a peel in relation of to the size of an apple. Means in short way से अगर हम समझें, it is that domain of the earth that contains all forms of life. ये all forms है को include करती है of life, land, water and air work together in this domain. इस domain में ये सभी include हैं.